Box of heaven! A network of females completely owning it. Yes, queen! Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button because your support is appreciated always. So as you saw from the title, I'm doing an Polly haul for the first time ever. These boxes are actually really heavy, but look how nice these are already. But this is just next level and I'm appreciating the effort. They recently brought out a limited edition set of gym wear. I needed to get it because every time they bring gym wear out, it's the prettiest clothes I've ever seen, and I'd love to just try them out and let you guys know what they're really like. Are they good quality? Are they not? We'll find out. So what I'm going to do is just show you one of the sets and then I'll try it on, and then I'll show you the next set and then I'll try it on. You know, so I am showing you all of them tried on. So first of all, the packaging. How cute. They've got Bo+Tee all over it. So adorable. In the first box I got some Bo+Tee socks to go with my outfit. Like I just showed you, these are the socks out of the packaging, and already I'm quite pleased with the material. It's quite thick and comfy. So and I got these Bo+Tee hot pants shorts. They feel like they would be comfortable and really good material. Cute top to go with the shorts. I've never brought a top like this before, how it's like a square. So the leggings, they have Bo+Tee down the side. Right guys, I usually shop at the petite section and I thought I got the petite ones but I didn't, so I'm kind of scared if these are going to fit me. They look like they will, so I think I'll be just fine. So let's try this set on. Cute! Okay, so first off, I feel like a ballerina in this top for some reason. It's this part. I don't know why I feel like a ballerina, but for some reason I do. I got a size small in both of these. Quite tight fitting if you can't tell already, but they're still comfortable, which is what we love. The only thing that's annoying about it is with the bottoms, you can see my pants outline, and I'm not loving that, if I'm honest. It's a bit annoying, but I'm over it. I love gym sets that are high-waisted. It's very flattering for your figure if it's high-waisted, so I just love that. I feel like I'm having a literal pink overload and I'm loving it so much. Okay, so they're a bit big, like I thought they would be. It's all cuffed at the bottom like that, but that's not their problem. That's my problem because I should have definitely got the petite ones, which I thought I did, but it's fine. Yet again, the material's really good. I feel comfortable in these. They're a bit too tight for me, in my opinion, which is putting me off a bit because literally I feel like can you see, you can see every single line in, you can see my bone in my knee. Can you see the dent? You know what I mean? You can see this, they're skin tight, and when you're pulling them up they feel like actual tights, which is really annoying, but overall they're really cute. Yes, living for it. They are really comfortable and movable. I would probably get a medium, a size up. These are a size small like everything else. They're just a bit sweaty, you know, when something's so tight to you, you feel kind of hot. I don't know if that's just because it's hot in here, but they're not the best, if I'm honest. Okay, so moving on to the next set, I got a blue one. Look how pretty that blue is. I did the right thing with these and I got the petite instead of the normal ones. These are just the pink ones with the Bo+Tee, they're the same leggings just in blue. Got this fancy top, which I'm really excited about. It goes like that, and then this goes across. You'll see when it's on. Oh, you'll see when it's on, but it's super pretty, and I've never seen a top like this before. Let me know if you have. It's got the Bo+Tee at the back, and it's a little bit padded but not a lot. So I'm going to put this on right now and show you. Okay, this is the next set, guys, and in my opinion it doesn't look like it's meant to go across. On the pictures it looked great. I think it's just because I've never wore something like this before, so I'm a bit confused. I'm so happy that I got these leggings in a petite because they fit perfectly. Like, look at that. Yes. Like the other leggings, they're like tights and very tight to me. I probably would have got a medium in these. Would have got a medium just so they're a bit more comfortable. Like a size like small fits me just fine. Like these are a small, but I just feel a little bit uncomfortable in them because it shows literally every lump and bump that I don't have. You know what I mean? It's one of those. But this top, let's go back to this because I'm living for this, you know. Like when I first, like I just put it on and I was like, oh god, what the hell. But honestly, this is really cute. Super comfy, and I've just realised at the side there's like a hole so you can take the padding out if you wish to do that, which is also very good because it's a no when you have padding and then you put it in the wash and they get all like folded up inside and you can't take them out. It's really frustrating. The material's very thick, which is really nice, and it's just lovely. I really like this. Also, I just want to run through pricing real quick. So this top is £30. £30 for this top. I mean, the quality is amazing, don't get me wrong, but £30 for a top. I see why it's so expensive, just because the detail in it as well. It's just so comfortable. Like, oh, there's a triangle there. Can you see that? I didn't notice that. The bottoms are £35. Ah, money. These little socks I got were £10. £10 for socks, come on. These hot pants shorts were £25. These bottoms were the same price as these ones, so £35. And then the top was £28. Also, what I realised with this top, they have like a rubber inside where your shoulders are so they don't fall down. I didn't notice that, but that's really good because like it's quite off the shoulder kind of thing, so you don't want it to slip down. So that's good, that is. So this set is tie-dye. Look how pretty that is. So this is the sports bra. Ooh. Ah, look how pretty that is. Blue and pink are my favourite colours, and mixing it with white is just, I love this so much. This is slightly padded too. It has holes so you can take them out if you wish to. This top was £32. No words. And then I got these cycling shorts, which were also £32 to go with it. These ones are actually a bit longer than the other shorts I tried, like they're just basic cycling shorts. And then I had to get socks to match because I'm extra as hell. Like the other socks, these were £10 also. Oh, they're just so pretty. Also, I just want to say this top can go with these bottoms too, and these could go with these as well. Oh, with the pink bottoms because it's pink. Ah, yes, love mix and match. So here is the tie-dye set. Wow. As you can see, these shorts are a bit longer than the other ones I tried. I prefer the short ones if I'm honest, but this is still cute. They are high-waisted like everything else, and they're just super cute. Imagine me walking in the gym like this, like, yeah, I'm here. So the sports bra is very flattering as well. I don't have boobs, so this gives me a little illusion. Love it. Also, I forgot to mention they've got adjustable straps as well, so you can make it up or down. Love that. Also, this is super comfortable. I'm so happy it's comfortable because you want to look cute, but the cute clothes usually aren't the comfiest for some reason, which is really annoying. So I'm really happy that everything's so comfortable and fits really well. Also, the socks are super comfy as well. That's a really weird angle, I'm sorry. These cycling shorts make me feel really short for some reason. Also, it's got bone tee down the side, if you didn't see that. Is it just me, or does gym wear motivate you to go to the gym as well? Because if you feel cute, you want to go out more. I've realised, like, I just want to show it off, so I have to go to the gym to be like, yeah, my outfit's cute. The last thing I bought isn't gym wear, but I just had to get it because it's been sitting on my wish list for so long now. So I was just like, you know what, I'm getting it. I got the prettiest dress in the world. Oh my god, it looks so weird right now because it's ruched. But I'm going to put this on and talk about it. Here's the dress on. It's black, so you can't really see the detail on it, but it is so detailed. I love it. It's got the corset all around and a zip at the back, which is what we need. The skirt part is ruched and super pretty. Okay guys, I've got to be honest. I love it. But like, first of all, I'm going to wear this too. These are super low, so I feel like I'm going to be exposed any minute. I feel like I need to pull it up all the time, and which is annoying, is the straps aren't adjustable. But it still fits super well, and my advice is to put it over your head instead, because it's not going over your legs, hun. It's just not. But overall, this is super cute. I hope you can see the detail on it, because it's super detailed and super pretty. Makes me feel good about myself. So yeah, this is the dress and I'm living for it, honestly. I think I'm gonna have to go to a really fancy restaurant, spend money I don't have, just to wear this dress, because I have nowhere else to go. I'm feeling myself. I am feeling myself so much. It has a poly down the side as well. It's so pretty. Do a little catwalk. Yes, yes. Strut. They do so many cute dresses. It's just so annoying that they're so expensive, but I understand now why they're so expensive, because they're such good quality. This dress was £45. So that was my little try on haul for Polly for the first time. My overall first impressions is amazing, like really good quality, thick material, very wearable, like breathable, comfortable and cute as hell. Like, I'm living for it all. It came earlier than expected too. One of the packages was supposed to arrive on the 23rd and the next one was supposed to be 24th. It's the 22nd today and it came today. So that's also an added bonus. Like, we love when it comes early. And I can't wait for the gyms to open again, because I'm missing the gym so much. I haven't actually worked out properly since last time I could go to the gym. Let me know which one was your favourite set out of all of them, or if it was this dress, let me know. I'll also link everything in the description below. Hopefully they still have them in your sizes, because I know they said it was limited edition. So I really hope you get your hands on some of it. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!